Ready to transform your long hair with dimension and movement? Discover the 10-step cutting styles that will define 2025. 1. Long butterfly cut. This cut uses strategic layering to create face-framing pieces that mimic the shape of butterfly wings, offering incredible volume and bounce. It's perfect for those with thicker hair seeking dramatic movement without sacrificing length. The layers blend seamlessly, making styling easy and versatile for both straight and wavy looks. Ideal for creating a soft, voluminous look, the butterfly cut gives the illusion of short hair when styled up, yet retains all the length at the back. It suits almost all face shapes and is a superb choice for fine to medium hair needing a lift and enhanced texture. This style looks phenomenal when blow-dried with large barrel brushes. 2. Deep U-shape step layers. The U-shape at the back ensures all the layers flow harmoniously, preventing a choppy appearance and maintaining a dense perimeter. This is the go-to style for individuals who want maximum length while achieving a beautifully tapered, cascade effect. It's particularly flattering on hair that is slightly coarse or has natural wave. By incorporating deep, gradual steps, this style creates a sophisticated, heavy-bottomed look that is timeless and elegant. The U-cut shape naturally guides the hair to sit perfectly on the shoulders and back, reducing bulk. It's a low-maintenance style that grows out gracefully, making it ideal for busy professionals. 3. Face framing step shag. This modern take on the classic shag introduces distinct, choppy steps around the face for an edgy, rock and roll vibe that is surprisingly flattering. It's perfect for adding texture and definition to straight hair or enhancing the natural curl pattern of wavy hair. This style requires minimal heat styling for a naturally tousled appearance. The key feature here is the disconnection between the short face layers and the long length, which gives a voluminous lift at the crown and fantastic texture. This style is an excellent choice for women looking for a contemporary, fashion-forward look that provides a substantial volume boost, especially to finer hair types. 4. V-cut with waterfall steps. The V-cut establishes a sharp, dramatic point at the back, with layers that gradually step down, creating a beautiful waterfall effect. This cut is highly effective in distributing weight, preventing long, thick hair from looking bulky, and promoting a sleek, yet dynamic flow. It provides excellent definition to the ends. By keeping the layers relatively long, this cut offers movement while still appearing polished and well-managed. The defined V-shape elongates the neck and back, making it a very sophisticated and slimming choice. It works exceptionally well on straight hair, where the precision of the layers is clearly visible and impactful. 5. Invisible step layers ghost layers. This technique uses subtle, internal steps to remove weight and create hidden movement without the appearance of obvious layers. It's the ultimate choice for those who desire shape and lightness in their long hair, but hate the choppy look. This style adds body without sacrificing the appearance of a solid length. Perfect for fine or thin hair that needs an illusion of thickness, or very thick hair that needs invisible bulk reduction. The layers are undetectable, yet the hair has an immediate, noticeable bounce and improved texture. This sophisticated style is incredibly versatile for uptos and braids, as the layers won't poke out noticeably. 6. Long soft layers with curtain bangs. A universally flattering look, this cut combines soft, long step layers throughout the length with the incredibly popular face-opening curtain bangs. The bangs draw attention to the eyes and cheekbones, framing the face beautifully and adding a trendy focal point to the traditional long cut. This style is essential for anyone wanting to update their long hair without a drastic change. The soft layers give a beautiful curve to the ends, while the bangs are low commitment and easy to style. It's particularly effective for creating a romantic, French girl aesthetic that suits all hair textures and types. 7. Razor cut steps for texture. Using a razor instead of scissors creates softer, more splinter ends, which is excellent for enhancing a naturally wavy or curly texture and reducing bluntness. This cut gives a much lighter, airy, and effortlessly cool appearance, offering incredible texture and natural-looking separation throughout the length. Highly recommended for hair that tends to look heavy or lack natural shape. The razor cut technique prevents the ends from clumping together. This step cut is fantastic for a low-maintenance, bohemian style that air dries well and showcases natural movement. It's the ultimate cut for tousled, I woke up like this finish. 8. Long blunt perimeter with internal steps. This cut is a masterful blend of two styles. A sharp, blunt baseline for thickness and internal step layers to add body and movement. It is perfect for those who want the full, dense look of a one-length cut, but need the versatility and lightness that layers provide. It offers a sophisticated, polished finish. By keeping the perimeter heavy, the hair retains a sense of power and volume, while the hidden internal layers prevent it from looking triangular or weighed down. This works best for medium to thick hair and is a strong, fashion-forward choice that conveys health and density. The layers are subtle enough for a sleek, straight style. 9. High-low step layers. The Mixie, an aggressive, high-contrast step cut that features very short layers on the top/crown that transition dramatically to very long layers at the bottom. This bold style provides maximum volume and lift at the crown and is fantastic for adding drama and a playful, voluminous texture to flat hair. This daring style is ideal for those who are unafraid of a dramatic, layered look. The extreme difference between the shortest and longest sections creates a dynamic, youthful shape that is striking and instantly noticeable. It's particularly effective for showing off highlights or color dimension due to the depth of the layers. 10. Long textured shag with step layers. This is a layered style that focuses on creating all-over texture and disconnection, rather than smooth blending. The step layers are concentrated for maximum volume and a slightly messy, effortlessly cool finish. It's the ultimate choice for enhancing the natural movement in wavy hair and reducing styling time. The key to this look is the intentional choppiness and the heavy layering that creates an incredible, full, round shape. It's particularly flattering on oval and diamond-shaped faces. This cut allows the hair to fall in a naturally tousled way, offering high impact with minimum effort for daily wear.